What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the problem when the Wi-Fi icon is grayed out on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First, make sure to close all apps running on your iPhone. Next, open up your iPhone settings and toggle the airplane mode option on and off. This can already fix the grayed out Wi-Fi icon for some users. If the problem persists, then navigate to your screen time settings. Here, under Content and Privacy Restrictions, make sure to disable all restrictions. Lastly, if the problem persists, then you will have to reset your network settings. Back in your main settings, tap on General and then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This will take a moment to reset all changes made to your network settings, and you'll be required to re-enter your Wi-Fi password. All of these steps and additional information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.